Good morning, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely Volvo XC90. It's a 2 litre D5. It's the Inscription model. Okay, automatic, 4-wheel drive, Euro 6, ULEZ compliant, stop-start, has done 82,000 miles, got very good service history, and has had one cam belt at 36,000 miles. Service history 12, 18, 25, 34, 39, 48, 57, 76. I think we may have just changed the oil. We've definitely put new discs and pads on the front and the rear. We put it through our workshop and the discs were a bit tired. So we've put new brakes all round just so that the next customer's really happy with it. Fantastic service history. Got the tow bar. Looks like a swivelling Volvo one. I've checked, it's got the modern 13 pins. Okay, privacy glass, rear park sensors. Lovely alloy wheels, lots of tread on the tyres. You can see that's a new brake disc. Keyless entry, keyless start. New brake disc on the front as well. Daytime running lights. Front park sensors. Aluminium roof rails. Now it's black leather inside. This car's got keyless entry, keyless start. Memories on the driver's seat. Memories on the electric memory passenger seat. Heated seats. Fitted mats, lovely soft leather seats, multifunction steering wheel, obviously, heated leather steering wheel, heated seats, heated steering wheel, automatic. That's got all the lane assist, etc. It's got Inscription embossed in the headrest. It's a 7-seater. It's got fitted mats in the rear. Show you 6th and 7th seat in there. Lovely power tailgate. Got that Volvo tow-bar, rear park sensors. There we go. Lovely and clean in there. There's the button for the electric swivelling tow-bar. Press that button up there and close the tailgate. Equally nice this side. Alloys in lovely condition. There's new brake discs on the back. Plenty of tread on the tyres. Keyless entry, keyless start. Again, plenty of tread on that tyre. Nice alloy wheel, new front brake disc. Not stone chipped or anything. Very nice. Obviously fully loaded inside. Heating mirrors, folding mirrors, electric mirrors, memories for the driver's seat. Leather's not worn on the driver's seat, it's in nice condition. Multifunction steering wheel, lovely. 82,778 miles. Satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, lane assist, lane departure warning. All the extras. Very nice vehicle that, drives beautifully. £19,995 for the 2016, registered just in 2016, 65 plate Volvo XC90 2 litre D5 Inscription with fantastic history and had the cam belt book. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. Look through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.